Hello students, how are you? Yes, fine. I hope that you are enjoying at your home. Yes. Today in this class, I would like to discuss about a statistical method, and in a statistical method, I would like to discuss about treatment of data. Treatment of data means if after primary or secondary study, if after primary or secondary observation or survey, you prepare a data, then what will be the fate of the data? How the data will be treated during your statistical method? So, first of all, you should note that data has been divided into two parts, two categories. One is classified and non-classified data. Another is classified data. In non-classified data, as 2, 5, 11, 16, 80, 200, 500. Data like this has been given to you. This is unclassified data. Nothing has been said that what is the frequency of the given digit in your data. But in your classified frequency distribution data, as it is clear from the name classified frequency distribution data, you write it as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and so on. This distribution of data is what? This distribution of data is classified data. This distribution of data is classified distribution data. And here you can write the frequency, that the digit coming in between 0 to 5, what is the frequency? The digit coming between 5 to 10, what is the frequency? The digit coming between 10 to 15, what is the frequency? If it is need of the calculation, you can find the cumulative frequency also. And the cumulative frequency means you have to cumulate, you have to add one by one from second to first, then third to second, then and so on. So just you add the total frequency consequently, and you find the sum of the frequency added vertically is equal to the last result you have got under the column cumulative frequency. One thing that is also important here to note for you is that you have to understand the concept of overlapping and non-overlapping class intervals. As I told you, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. This arrangement of numbers is under overlapping class interval. 5 to 10 and 10 to 15, and 15 means the last limit becomes the second, becomes the beginning of the last term of the first interval, become the beginning of the second interval, and the last of the second interval become beginning of the third interval. So in this process, we say that this distribution of data is overlapping. Under overlapping process means overlapping, this is overlapping data. And non-overlapping means you write 5 to 10, here gap is 5 of 5. Then you write 6 to 11, here gap is also 5. Then you write 12 to 17, here also gap is 5. But the data is not, the class interval is not classified. This is unclassified. Okay, I will talk to you again after some more. One thing I would like to share with you, and